Chenro mag chuogo budget en gino moyangi ni oseduoko chien okenge mag sirikal chopo kare dwache ahinya to sirikal mag kaunti. Mage oyange kinde romo mane onywando ji buora mawuok e sekta mango ratiro e kaontis 10. Gikoni mar kawo weche
we are very determined, and CSRG, this is what we are saying, and we are saying it clearly, that counties should be ready to repeat this process because we are not taking it lightly. We are going to court because of the evidence we have gathered across the counties to make sure that public participation is really a representation of the interest and the decisions of the people. So from the information we have gathered, for the first time, we are going to court on matters concerning public participation, especially in the budget cycle.
And as the budget cycle continues, today we are using this opportunity to call upon the County Treasury of Bungoma and other departments involved to release the outline for the sectoral hearing, because as from 1st of September, a sectoral hearing should have begun. But as we are speaking today, we are not aware of the key dates for sectoral hearing so that our voices, can be heard.
Hiyo ya kwanza ni kuoneshana ni kwenda kotini ili hizi budget process ama CADP ziweze kurudiwa na zifanywe vinavyofaa. Kitu ya pili, tukienda pale kotini italete wale wakubwa magavana na watu wao watajua ya kwamba si mchezo tena na lazima watu wahudumiwe kulingana na katiba ilivyoashiria.